Over the past 2 weeks, we have seen an increase in the number of new COVID-19 cases in Trinidad and Tobago, and the advent of clusters, which led to the rollback of some of the eased restrictions. Despite this, many persons have not modified or changed their behavior. In fact, on Saturday, the Prime Minister again issued an appeal to us to take the threat of COVID-19 seriously and to not congregate or assemble in large groups. To political parties that are campaigning, let us be responsible and lead by example. Even as we prepare for general elections, do remember we should not be organizing large groups of persons to walk around neighborhoods, and this provides the perfect condition to spread the virus and lead to an outbreak. We cannot afford to let this happen in Trinidad and Tobago. We understand that political activity in the lead up to an election is essential, but we must conduct those activities using the public health guidelines for our new normal, and mindful that we are still in the midst of a pandemic. This action of denial poses a threat to all. There are many other ways to reach and influence the electorate. Therefore, I am appealing to everyone, particularly those organizing groups, to campaign, please refrain from violating the public health guidelines. Your actions either protect or endanger us. And let us remember to wear a mask over our nose and mouth when out in public. Let us keep our distance from others. It is recommended that you stay at least 6 feet apart and stay at home if you are ill. And do remember to wash your hands often with soap and water or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. And if you cough, do so into a tissue or into the crook of your elbow and avoid touching your face. Please remember that gatherings in public spaces has been reduced to groups of 10, but the numbers for funerals and religious gatherings remain unaffected. And just to remind you again, on Wednesday, the Prime Minister will be hosting the media conference as we continue to monitor and review the data on COVID-19 in Trinidad and Tobago. I am Donna Cox, Minister of Communications. Thank you for joining us today as the government continues its efforts to keep the curve flat and beat COVID-19. Stay safe, save lives. May God bless Trinidad and Tobago.
This was a production of the Ministry of Communications.